Hi, my name is Micah Thompson with Gulf and Bay Dock Works. Today we're at a client's home in Pinellas County, Florida on Boca Ciega Bay. We're looking at his two pilings that fell during the last storm because they were infested by boring worms. Boring worms in Pinellas County and west coast of Florida have become incredibly more invasive in the last 10 years. To make sure that you don't have a boring worm issue in your pilings, we do inspections. When we do inspections, we have one topside person and we have a diver in the water that swims mudline to waterline on every single pole. We're looking for any hole that goes deeper than an inch. We're looking for 30 or more pinholes. We're looking for golf ball, baseball sized chunks out of the side. Any of those things, and that piling has been infested with boring worms. If wrapped properly in the future, we can make sure that that will never happen again. These pilings were destroyed by boring worms at the base. In the last storm, they fell down. So today we're going to replace them. Fortunately, no harm was done to either neighboring property. We're going to replace them. We're going to wrap them properly with double-stage piling wrap, and they're going to last for the life of the pole. We just pulled these pilings out of the water. They did have wrap on them, but they were only one stage and one layer. The outer layer doesn't protect from invasive boring worms. It also didn't go below the mud line. And as you can see, when we pulled these up, the mud was right here. All the piling 6 feet that was left in the ground is still there because the boring worms ate straight through it, the mud line all the way across. When a storm came, they fell over. At Gulf and Bay Dock Works, we would love to have a conversation with you about your dock. From dock inspections, boring worm questions, whether you need a new lift or a new dock, we would love to have a conversation with you.